Hi guys, today I will be showing you part 2 for the platformer. So I'm pretty sure from part 1 I got the thing fixed. See, I got this guy fixed, so if you want you can go back. See. So just a minute, what's this level? I forgot what I did with that. Alright, let me just look. So this is what I was supposed to do with the thing that I told you I'd fix. So, just a minute, let me get a knock on my lives. See, it's fixed now. Now, did I not set Rise to 10? I swear I did. No, I guess I'm gonna need to set that. Alright, so make sure that you've got all this code. So, and then next, make sure your project is saved. If you haven't watched part 1, watch it now, and then come back to this video. So, basically, I have no idea what that was for, but, oh yeah, that was for my Gobo thing. I accidentally deleted that too. So, I guess I'll just show you how to do it again, just in case. So, I'm gonna make it a cat flying this time, so, this will also show you how to make more than one. So, cat flying, this will be, so I'm gonna set it size to 40. Let's see, yeah, that's pretty small. And then let's see, I'm also gonna want to choose another sprite. You can make it so that you can also turn into Nano. So this I'm also gonna want it size 40. So make a variable called Nano. Make it just the name of whatever. Cat flying. So okay. Now you're gonna want to have those hidden, as many as you're gonna need. So you're gonna want those hidden, and then on this, make sure that they're hidden. So events when flag clicked, hide. Just a minute, let me check the backdrop. And then you're gonna go to Nano control forever if backdrop number equals, just a minute. If backdrop number equals, if backdrop number equals, I'm just gonna put 4. I'm gonna put show. Alright, and then that's good. So, and then in ScratchCat, I'm gonna move this over. I'm gonna move this. So now to make it so that it can turn, put when flag clicked. Forever. Actually, yeah, forever if touching. So you're gonna want to go to sensing, touching Nano. Set. You're going to want to set look. Look to 1 and also Nano to 1. Duplicate Nano 1. So you're gonna have to change that to Nano, and then just duplicate this, except put cat flying and make sure it moves 1 up. There. So now, and then you're gonna want to make another one. So when flag clicked, forever. So first you're going to want to set look to 0, and then oh yes, cat flying is supposed to be at 1. So forever if, you're gonna want the equals if equals, so you're gonna pull in the if block. If equals, so you're going to pull in cat flying. I'm gonna do 1. And you're also going to need and block, so equals 2. So if look equals 2, then I'm going to go into the costumes, delete the gobo real quick. I'm going to pull up cat flying. Where's the cat flying? There. So cat flying. And then so you're gonna want to put switch costume to cat flying A. So I'm gonna duplicate this guy. And then so I'm gonna change this to 1 and this to Nano. And then I'm going to have to make a costume called Nano. So I'm gonna search up Nano. I'm gonna want Nano A. So duplicate that, but turn this into Nano A. So let's see. Beep, beep, boom. What? Just a minute. So if look equals 2 and cat flying equals 1, let me check this. So, oh, you need to set look to 1 there. Actually, no, that's supposed to be 2. Sorry, I got messed up. Cat flying. So there. Now you turn into Nano. There. So I'm gonna save the project. So start it out. Make sure that it works. But here's the thing. See, it does that, but the cat flying isn't showing. So I'm gonna put that there. So I'm just gonna go back to backdrop 4. Now I can turn into the cat flying or Nano. I'm gonna want to change their positions though. So I'll move it like that, and then that's good. So now you are going to go to the variables, make another variable called real lives. This is for the slider. So hit OK, hide real lives, and slider. So I can move, right? So you are also going to want to you are going to want to set real lives to 10. So this shouldn't be lives anymore. This should be real lives. So lives is a slider. So to make it better, so you put when flag clicked, forever if lives, pull out lives and real lives. So you're gonna want this. If lives is greater than real lives, then you are going to want to I'm just gonna make an invisible sprite. So paint, let me just make a purple blob real quick. So, oh no, sorry. That is going to be for Scratch Cat to say. So, you're gonna want to do sensing. No, motion. No, sorry, looks. I'm pretty sure yes. Say, don't cheat. You just lost 3 lives. So say that for 3 seconds. So, and then, where's the life code? Where's the life code thing? Just a minute. lives. So you're going to want to duplicate, but make this real lives. There, I'm pretty sure that's the only one on this one. Good, good. This should be normal lives because we already actually, you know what? Might as well delete this. And then pull this, duplicate, and then make that live. Just lives, and then if real lives. There. So that's how it works right now. But here's the thing, you're gonna want it so you actually lose the 3 lives, so I'm pretty sure that's obvious. Just let me clean up the blocks. And pull over here again. So when flag clicked, let me pull that back. There, when flag clicked forever. Sorry, you're gonna want to pull up the events. Broadcast message 1. Just a minute, let me find the code that I'm pretty sure it's all the way at the bottom. So nope, not right there. It was not this. Oh, that can be deleted. There, clean up blocks. I'm trying to find broadcast message 1. And then when I receive message 1, you're going to put show variable and hide variable, but don't put cat flying. So show variable real lives and hide variable lives. So I have no idea what this guy is for. So I'm gonna want to change that, and then I'm gonna wanna put so this, make sure the broadcast message 1 is over there, and then make sure change real lives by -3. There, but when flag clicked, you're going to show variable lives and hide variable real lives. So just to make sure that there. So now, bam. Don't cheat, you just lost 3 lives. Why is this thing at cat flying? Just a minute. Oh yes, I know why. Events, just put events when flag clicked variables, set cat flying to 0, set nano to 0. Hopefully that'll do it. Nope. Set look to 0. Switch costume to costume 1. Oh yes, also I forgot to tell you, this you're going to have to duplicate it, look equals 0. That's all you need. Look equals 0, switch costume to costume 1 there. So clean up the blocks, test it out. So there, bam. Don't chase, you just lost 3 lives. Ow, why does it go to put you down at 4? Put it, make it say, make it 6. There, that's me. Oh, I see. So you are, so if real lives is more than lives, so So before you put, I forgot to tell you this. Before you put this, make sure you set the live variable to 0. So, bam, there, you just lost the lives. There. So I'm pretty sure that's it. Let me just make sure that I've got everything. So I did the slider, lives variable. I did everything I told you I did. So and plus I can't really think of anything else for a platform. So this video is over. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. And also soon we will be coming out with new videos. So please stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.